Poor Callie's after this bird. She be laying on her back, getting. I wonder how she did it. She got some feathers in her mouth. They never have no blood on them. I've seen her with rats, too, and she doesn't eat them. She just makes them stop moving. She quick. She real quick. But that's how kind of I do when I fight. I like to get on my back and use my legs on you. Dang. She ain't playing. She licking it. Ugh. That's what my cat be doing. It's not dead, so I'm not taking it from her. It's not all the way dead. I'd rather to go on and kill it than take it away and let it linger. But this is nature, and I'm letting nature do its job. Don't be surprised if I use some feathers in my jewelry, y'all. Oh my goodness. I think it's a mockingbird. Because they're the ones that have been on the line, and they even chased away a lot of our hummingbirds. So I'm kind of glad she's getting the population down. Because I don't see the hummingbirds. They've been taking the hummingbirds' nests. It's a Cali Griot. I can't watch no more.